Hi guys, how's it going? Alright, it's Mark here. I thought I'd run you through a revised user guide because the last one, it's amazing it is. The first revision guide it did had me using the word X a lot. This one, I've managed to start tutting. So apologies for that. I have got quite a few tuts in the videos themselves. I'm not going to replace them, but I give you apologies here for the tuts. It's because I'm such a cheapskate and buying a $4.99 headphone mic set, so that serves us right. But anyway, let me take you through this revision guide, shall I, and be as quick as possible about this. It's dealing with quads and polys. Quadratics is the first section, and then division of polynomials and partial fractions is the second one. We're going to do all the methods customary to solving quadratics. We're going to do factorization in the first row on this live worksheet app. In the marketplace, if you don't able to get hold of a copy that I send around by email, then you can just type in my A-level maths tutor. It's one word, and I think I'll be putting this app up shortly. My apps are up there. Will be up there in that marketplace there. My A-level maths tutor, one word, and I'll probably call this something like Quads and Polys. This app. So as I say, I'll do 20 questions on factorization. I always try and tell you the simplest way possible to do things, so look out for that. And then quadratics using the formula, again the simplest way possible, and also the method of completing the squares. There's 20 questions. First 10 is on formula. The second 10 will be on completing the square. So have a look at a bash at those, and then we move on after that in the third row in the live worksheet. We're going to do division of polynomials. We do straightforward ones to start with. Just do long division to start with, and then explain the process, and then we start to do non-trivial examples. And here's an instance of an example here, question 11. Dividing one polynomial of order 2 into a polynomial of order 5. Yeah, and when we're happy with that one, then I put down in the final part of this live worksheet app is partial fractions. And we'll look at that. 20 questions on partial fractions. Start off quite trivially again, build up the level of difficulty, and then probably finish off with a couple of easy ones at the end. So that's what's in the sheet then, and as far as content is concerned in this live worksheet. And basically, I've got an email math function button there where you can click on the button. You can then pen a few words in an email to me, and you can capture a picture of any problem you're working out on this topic. Just write it out by hand, capture the picture, and then click send, and I'll get the email. And but the idea is I'll be able to write you up a bespoke YouTube video solution. Yeah, so I'll send you the live private YouTube video link of that, and then you can have a look at the solution if you've got any questions on that. So that's the idea there. So it'd be nice to hear from you if you give us a buzz and see how you're getting on. Resets, of course, you can reset all the rows and reset them all, or each row in turn to have a fresh go at those. I've included another exam paper from WJEC on C1 exam paper, which I think covers these topics. And then I'll put a film up, nice little film. Glamorgan Maths, one of their annual lectures by Professor Alan Davis, he's a trustee, that's the word, of the Royal Institution, and a really good lecture on superheroes, the science and mathematics of superheroes. Really great fun. A good little lecture worth a little watch of that as well. So as I say, I hope you enjoy the app and get on well with it. Any feedback or stuff and questions you got, well, just send us a buzz an email, and get in touch with us, yeah? And as I say, all these apps, this one, Quads and Polys, will be available on the marketplace. My A-level maths tutor, one word, just type that in. They should all pop up, yeah, in due course. Alright guys, catch you again, and give us a buzz, and I hope you enjoy the app. Cheers!